Hi guys, Chet here. Today I'm going to compare Lucidchart and Figma, two of the top tools in the world of visual collaboration and design. I'll break down their features, pricing, user experience, integrations, and more. So by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which platform fits your needs the best. So let's dive in. First off, let's talk about both tools. Lucidchart is great for creating diagrams, mapping processes, and organizing complex systems. Business teams use it to map workflows, build organizational charts, and plan projects. It's really all about helping teams stay on the same page. Now, on the other hand, Figma is a favorite in the design world. It's made for UI and UX design, letting teams create, prototype, and work together in real time. Designers love it for web and app interfaces, and its live collaboration makes teamwork super easy. Now let's talk about features. Lucidchart is great for creating easy to understand diagrams. You can drag and drop elements, use ready-made templates, and connect your data to visuals. It even works with tools like Google Drive, Slack, and Microsoft Teams so that you can include your visuals in your daily workflow. If you're into brainstorming or whiteboarding, Lucidchart teams up with Lucidspark to give you even more options. Now, on the other hand, Figma focuses on precise design. It offers tools like vector editing, shared libraries, prototyping, and features for handing off designs to developers. One of its best tools is FigJam, which is perfect for brainstorming and whiteboarding. This makes Figma useful for more than just design tasks. Now let's talk about user experience. Lucidchart is super easy to use, even if you are not a designer. Business users, project managers, and analysts can dive in and create great visuals without much effort. Its clean layout helps you organize and map out ideas quickly. Figma, on the other hand, is built for designers. If you have used tools like Sketch or Adobe XD before, it will feel very familiar. The interface is sleek and modern, but might feel a bit tricky at first for non-designers. Once you get used to it though, the real-time collaboration feature where multiple people can work on the same design at once is a game changer. When it comes to integrations, both tools are strong, but focus on different audiences. Lucidchart works well with business apps like Atlassian, Salesforce, and Microsoft Office. You can embed diagrams into Confluence or pull live data from spreadsheets. Figma connects with more design-specific tools like Zeppelin, Principal, and Framer. It also works with project management platforms like Jira, Trello, and Asana, which is great for keeping design and development teams all on the same page. Now, let's look at the numbers. In terms of pricing, Lucidchart has a free plan, an individual plan at $9 per user per month, a team plan at $10 per user per month, and an enterprise plan that has custom pricing. Figma offers a free starter plan, a professional plan at $3 per collaborator seat, $12 per developer seat, and $16 per full seat monthly. And organization plan at $5 per collaborator seat, $25 per developer seat, and $55 per full seat, and an enterprise plan at $5 per collaborator, $35 per developer, and $90 per full seat per month. So which one do you pick? Tough question. I've got an answer. If you're a business team needing advanced diagrams, process maps, or data visualization, Lucidchart is the better fit. But if you're a product or UX designer focused on interface design, prototyping, and developer collaboration, Figma is hands down the top choice. It really comes down to whether you're diagramming workflows or designing products. All right, that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.